Hi guys, this is Easy Excel with Zen. In this video, we will be discussing another set of date functions, namely network days and network days international. Both formulas are used to get the number of working days between two dates where weekends and holidays are excluded. By default, system will consider Saturdays and Sundays as weekends. In my last video, we discussed on setting the end date using Workday and Workday International. This time, the missing piece is the working days. So my data now has the start date, okay, and the end date. We want to know how many working days has been consumed to finish the task or project, or how many days will it consume between September 24, the start date, and October 16, which is the end date. So let's start with network days. Okay. Again, there are two options here. We'll choose the first one, network days. So there are three arguments that we have to fulfill again to get the desired result: the start date, the end date, and the holidays. Okay, so start date is in A6. Okay, and then separate with a comma. The end date is in B6, separate with a comma, and then the list of holidays. Highlight all the list of holidays and close it with the parentheses, and then enter. So the number of working days between September 24 to October 16, 2020 is 16 days. So let's validate using the calendar. So our start date is 24. So we will start counting on the start date itself. Unlike in Workdays and Workdays International, we start counting after the start date. This time we will start counting on the start day itself. Okay? So 24, 25, 28 is holiday. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So after October 16, right? So 16 days. October 16 is 16 days. So the network days function give us the correct result. Okay? What if the weekends in your place is not Saturday and Sundays? Let's say weekends falls on Fridays and Saturdays. This time, the function to be used is Network Days International. So let's type Network Days. Okay. Network. Then again, the two options came. We have to choose the second option, Network Days International. And you can see there are 4 arguments to be fulfilled here. And the additional one is the weekend. Let's see what is this weekend again. So start date is in A6, okay, comma. Then end date is in B6, then comma. And then weekend, same as in Workdays and Workdays in Workdays International, we can choose the weekends here. We can specify what is the applicable weekend in our location. So now I'll choose Friday and Saturday, okay? And then comma. And choose again or highlight again all the holidays listed for that particular year. Then close it with the parentheses. Okay, so the result now is 15. Again, Network Days and Network Days International gave us different result. Let's validate again this Network Days International. Let's go to our calendar. Okay, so start date is September 24. The end date is October 16. Okay, so let's start counting from, and then consider 28 as holiday. Okay, so 1, okay, let's start from 24 itself, and then 2 on the 27, 3 on the 29, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 16 is a holiday, so your working days is only 15. Okay, so it gives us 15. So that's the difference of the two. Okay, now you know how to count the number of working days between two dates using Workdays and Workdays International. Again, the only difference is the weekends, okay? In the network days, it will consider the default holiday or weekends, which is Saturdays and Sundays. Whereas in Network Days International, you can choose the weekend, whether it be Friday and Saturday or Friday only. So it's up to you. You can choose. There are a variety of options there. Okay? So thank you again, and hope you understood the concept and you will be able to apply it in your files. Bye for now and God bless.